In this video, we will learn how to create a subdomain and install WordPress in Hostinger step by step. So let's get started. First of all, we need to visit Hostinger hPanel by typing in the following address hpanel.hostinger.com. Then on the left sidebar, look for websites option, click on it. You will get a list of all of your websites. You need to click on dashboard option right next to your domain where you want to create subdomain. Then again on the left side bar, you need to find domains option and click on it. And from drop down, choose subdomains. On the next page, you need to enter your subdomain. So we will add demo and click create. Our subdomain was created successfully. You need to keep one thing in mind that it may take up to 48 hours before this subdomain starts working due to DNS propagation time. Now it's time to learn how to install WordPress in subdomain on Hostinger. To install it, click on websites option. Then you will get the list of your websites including the subdomain we just created. Now click on dashboard next to your subdomain. On the following page on the left side bar, you need to click on website. Then from drop down, choose auto installer. Now select WordPress. Then it will ask you to add your website credentials. So we will add them. After adding them, click next. Keep the settings as default and click install. The WordPress was successfully installed on subdomain. Now from drop down, choose your subdomain. Now you can visit your subdomain WordPress admin by clicking on this button or simply typing in your subdomain such as demo.ashwebdemo.com/wp-admin. Now we are on the dashboard of subdomain and the subdomain is also working. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.